Welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. Going to get into a couple of things today. Just kind of finishing up the lighting that we did in the last video, the landscape lighting, and just put some decorative rocks around the control unit. I'll show you that, and then a couple of other small things we want to get wrapped up today. So hang tight, we'll get started here. Okay, and put these rocks up there. That control unit is in there. I brought some rocks up from down below, and she got the wires up underneath the weed barrier. So that's what she's working on. Next thing we're going to do is going to get the lift out here, and that decorative star we're going to get out here and put up here on the barn. And that should complete the barn. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, just stand over there and make sure I don't hit the trailer because I'm going to turn a little bit here.
I didn't think you're supposed to drive up here.
I just need to get a little closer.
Whoa. Whoa.
We can reach that, right? It's a little wobbly.
Yeah, but it's not. Whoa. Ah! Whoa, stop. Whoa.
Okay.
So this is what needs to be painted on the other side?
On the other side, yeah.
And then...
So you know about where you want that? Like that high, or this high, this low?
No, in the middle.
Or right there.
Do you already have these up? I can't remember. On the other side?
Yes, that's right.
And the sides are up?
Yeah.
So you just gotta put that piece in?
All I need to be painted is here.
Whoa.
The last puzzle to the barn piece. Sort of.
Well, I was going to say, you got siding or trim, call it, don't you?
As far as YouTubers go, the last piece to the puzzle. Okay.
Is there only one circle back? Oh, there's the other one.
So where's the two at?
This one's behind the star peak, and then this one's at the bottom.
Okay. It's officially been a year since we started, right? May of last year?
Well, technically, it would have been, I think, somewhere September, October.
But we didn't get the permit till May.
You had to have it done by May this year.
So that would have been a year.
You started the groundwork like September, October. Down a little. Down a little. It's not really in the middle, but it's going to be higher up there. We started the groundwork because I remember you poured in February.
Yeah.
The cement pad. So this coming September, October, November, whatever it was, will be 2 years.
I didn't bring a pair of pliers. Okay, let me do this.
I thought I saw some.
Yeah, I got snips, but not pliers.
Oh.
I don't think this is going to work.
You're gonna hide that bracket?
Right there. I'm gonna need a pair of pliers. That should hang there, okay. What?
Well,
Now, can I go down, or is, why don't you come over here? Come over here and I'll slide this back.
You can, but you've got to watch because this thing's wobbly.
I can get down and look at it too, that way.
$36. If you have a big enough screw just to put it through that. Are you roping it?
No, I'll just do this. There you go. Pretty sturdy. That looks good.
Yes.
Just stay here, it looks big.
I thought it was bigger than 36.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Hey, that's something we completed. Project completed.
And we've had for how many months?
Yep.
You don't need to cut that outside piece first, the overhang that I was trying to paint. So you know where you're...
I wouldn't worry about it right now. I can cut it with the Sawzall. Can you take this?
Yeah.
Let me go down one more. You got it?
Is this the way it goes, though?
Yeah, that's the way it goes. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Just go about right there, okay? Can you hold it right there?
I have it, but
Okay.
hang on.
I got it.
I gotta take off a shoe.
Okay.
To brace myself.
Okay. Take your time.
Because my angle, I can't.
Take your time.
Hang on. Okay.
You got it?
I got it.
You okay? Okay. I'm just going to stand up and I'm going to get ready to screw.
So you're gonna miss your other screws then?
Yeah. Yep.
Is it in the right spot?
Yep. Now we'll save that one.
So do you
for
want
the
me
next
to go?
one.
You want me to go get the other one and we start over there?
Yeah. Let's go get that one. I've got a screw I got to put in over here. So if you can, you go get it.
Yeah, I can get it. Which way does this go?
Huh?
Does it go this way?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. It's just, is it on the end where you want it?
Yeah, that's good.
Is it even?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Looks like Jaws left me.
Oh,
It's not
there's one
there
down
anymore.
I just saw him.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I think it was a smaller one though.
Oh.
All right.
Now we have to measure.
Actually, I think we can just cut it in half. But no, let's see. I can't remember how we did that.
Well, I think you took this off.
Yeah.
To put it underneath.
Can you hold that up?
What do you want in the middle?
Just in the middle.
Yeah.
Seems to be at least
4 feet long.
5 feet. Yeah, 5 feet. You want the overhang?
I know, but how long are they? 10?
Oh yeah, they're 10. Let's cut them in half.
Okay. So you want me to come with you?
Yeah, that way you can hold it.
They're gonna spark at me?
No.
That smells. This one will have to go on that side because of the cut to hide it.
Okay. This one out.
Oh. Okay. You want me to hang on to it?
Well.
Or you want me to lift?
Yeah.
Is it enough lift?
There's a.
What?
There we go. There we go. Okay.
Is it up where it needs to be? It looks like it's something holding it up.
Let's see. Oh, that rubber piece in there. Oh.
What, this rubber piece right here?
There's a rubber piece in there, yeah.
I can feel it right here.
Yeah.
Did you go all the way to the peak with it? Did you come all the way up
yeah.
the other one?
Pretty sure.
Are you there?
Yeah. All right. Can you hold that there?
Yeah. Is that pushed all the way down there? Because I see the other one behind it.
Yeah.
Just before you start screwing it in.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Is it pushed in?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay.
Now this one.
I got this licked.
Got it?
Yep.
Now I need to lift this and the rubber.
No, I need to go between the rubber, I think.
Oh, I don't know.
So I need that pushed up. So let me get this secured.
Is it pushed up?
I think so. This is gonna get. Perfect.
Done?
Let's get out of here. Yep, that's good. That's a wrap.
Yeah, you wish.
Okay, we got done with this side. Got the star up there. That's good. That really completes this end. We did a couple of trim pieces on the back, painting, and then put the rakes at the top up there on the other end. So one step closer to marking this one off the project list. So looks good. Okay.
Got it?
We're cutting this piece off here is what we're doing. I also need to put a screw in up here for that trim we just put in. So a couple things on them here. Okay.
You want me to give you the paint so you can get the end?
Yeah.
You want to give me the saw thing first? You're doing your favorite job. Can you get underneath it? If not, it's okay.
Look all right?
Yeah. Got a wasp up there, it looks like. Moving around.
Alright, we're wrapping up the day. I'm taking this stuff back up. That's Ron's air compressor and ladder. We're done with it down here, so we'll take this stuff back up. Mission accomplished. Drop the ladder off, drop the rocks off. Now we're heading back down. Put the tractor in the barn. Alright, I think that is going to make a wrap for this video. We got quite a bit done. In this video, we got the rocks around the light control over there. She actually worked on that. I helped her get the rocks up there, but then she took it from there. Got the trim piece on up here. Got this piece cut over here. We got the rakes on at the top on this end here. We got the star on down at the other end of the building. So I didn't get back over on the excavator. I did get the snap rings in today, so I'll get on that soon. But we're actually going to call it quits a little bit early today and relax. And I'm going to start the barbecue, and we're going to put some meat on the grill, and I may even jump in the pool. I don't know. I turned the heater on earlier today, so we'll see if it's warmed up enough. But glad we got a few things done today that we had been kind of, you know, like I was saying, all the projects you got going on, and it's nice to get some stuff marked off. So that's what we did today. Anyway, that's where we're going to end today's video. Thanks for coming back and joining Rolling Country Outdoors, and we'll catch you in the next video. Y'all take care.